Good morning. Welcome to IKEA Moratech Education Channel. Today we are going to discuss about industrial relation. In this session we are going to discuss about what is industrial relation and its importance. So industrial relation is the collection of relationships between employees and employers, unions and management. Unions is of two types. One is employees union or workers union, which we call as trade unions or employees associations, and second one is companies or organizations unions, like we call as a chemist and druggist association or electrical materials manufacturers association. Like this, organization or companies also have their association to protect their interests at government level or court legal matters. So they also have their own unions. So now we are going to discuss about labor's unions, labor's and management relation and employees and employers association. What is industrial relation? Actually, this relation is having some systems and procedures. In other words, we call it as a standards process used by management and unions or employees. Why this industrial relation? Industrial relation is to protect the interest of employees and employers. We may think that this is for employees, unions are for employees. It is not like that. Industrial relation is to protect the interest of both employees and employers. It ensures that management should not exploit workers, workers should not exploit management. Both of them has to behave in a standard process. Industrial relation exhibits a financial relationship between the employees and the management, along with the employee satisfaction, comfort, safety and security measures, and involves with the management in the place of employment. Here, the safety and security measures of the employees or laborers has to be taken care of by the management. We see some construction companies or at coal mines, people are wearing or laborers are wearing helmets. It is for the security. Like this, companies has to provide some safety and security measures. They have to take care of their safety and future requirements at the place of work. And we may think that industrial relation is only benefiting employees. No, it is not like that. This industrial relation leads to a cordial relationship between the employees and the management, which leads to increased productivity at the organization. So industrial relation are the keys for increased productivity in industrial establishment with less industrial disputes. It gives increased productivity, at the same time less disputes. So this ensures smooth running of organization and continuous production. So the industrial relation is not only beneficial for the employees, but it is benefiting employers and the organization. A strong relationship leads to high productivity from employees, more involvement in the organization culture, and better employee retention. Because if the employee is not satisfied with the behavior of the management, he may leave the company, change the company. We call it as employee turnover and absenteeism. If the experienced employees are changing the company, the productivity affects. The productivity reduces. If the persons are absent, the work of the day is going to affect. So like this, productivity of the organization also affects due to wrong or not taking care of employees. So a good relationship leads to high productivity, and a poor relationship can lead to abusive behavior. Poorly motivated employees in turn leading to less production. So industrial relation is an important for employers and at the same time employees.